Hi, good morning. My name is Janil. What's your name? Hi, I am Diego. Nice to meet you, Janil. Nice to meet you too. It is your first day at university? Yes, I am a bit nervous. What about you? It's my first day too. But hey, everything's new for every now. True. Where are you from? I am from Piura. And you? I'm from Arequipa. I come to Lima to study. So here, what are you studying? Architecture. I really like drawing and you? I study industrial engineering. I like numbers. That's cool. Hey, is that your phone? Yes, it is. It's new and here for hunting its college. And is that notebook yours? Yes, I always bring one to write everything though. Do you have class now? Yes. Hey, introduction to university. You, some. So, shall we go to grade? Sure. That way won't head let's go. Perfect. It is great to meet someone on first day.